If three coins are tossed simultaneously, find the probability of getting at least one head, at most one head and two tails, two heads. So this is the question. So in this question we have to imagine that we are going to toss three coins. See, when we are tossing a coin, okay, we have only two possibilities. One is getting a head or we can get a tail. That's it. But here we are going to toss three coins at a time. So one head, that is one coin may give head, the other coin may give the tail, the third coin might give the head again. Okay, so there are various possibilities when we are going to toss three coins. So first let's write down all the possible outcomes when we are tossing three coins here. Okay, so we have a small trick, that is when we are tossing a coin, okay, we are having two possibilities. Same way when we are tossing three coins at a time, okay, 2 power 3 possibilities we will be having. Okay, when we are tossing a coin we will be having 2 power 1, that is 2 possibilities. Same way when we are going to toss 3 coins at a time we will be having 2 power 3, that is 2 multiplied 3 times, 8 possibilities we will be having. So let's write down all those 8 possibilities first. So number of possible outcomes, n of s, that's nothing but 2 power 3. That is 3 coins we are tossing. So 2 power 3, which is 8. Okay, let's check whether we are having 8 possibilities. Yes, that is the sample space is equal to. We are tossing 3 coins at a time. So H, H, H. All the 3 coins might give head. Then H, H and T. First two coins might give the head and the third coin might give the tail. Now bring the T in between these two H's. H, T, H. Then bring T in the front. T, H, H. Like this we can write the possibility. Now the same thing, okay? Invert all H to T and T to H so that we will be getting the next four possibilities. See, all the H I am going to replace it as T. Here H, H and T. This will become T, T and H. H, T, H will become T, H, T. T, H, H will become H, T, T. 8 possibilities. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes when we are tossing 3 coins at a time. Okay, now the first question, find the probability of getting at least one head. So at least one head means, okay, minimum in tossing the 3 coins we should have one head. That is maximum you can have how many ever heads, that's not a thing here. Okay, at least one head is minimum, there should be one head. Maximum you can have two heads also, you can have three heads also. Okay, please understand like this. At least one head means minimum at least there should be one head. Maximum you can have two heads also, you can have three heads also. Understand like that. So 1, 2 and 3 heads, that will be our possibility for the first question. Okay, so 3 heads, so this is possible. 2 heads, this is also possible. 2 heads possible. 2 heads again, these 4 are possible. Now here, do we have a head, children? No, we don't have a head. So this is not possible. One head, at least one head we are having. Here also one head we are having. Here also one head we are having. So how much possibilities we get here excluding only this one? We are having a total of 7 possibilities, because in these 7 possibilities when we are tossing a coin at least we are able to get one head. Maximum we can have 3 heads also. Okay, we are getting 2 heads also, even that is included. So this is the probability of the event, that is the probability of getting at least one head is equal to 7 possibilities where we are getting at least one head, 2 or 3 heads by 8. Okay, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is 7, only this one is excluded. Okay, next, at most one head. At most one head means maximum you should have only one head. Okay, minimum there should be no head, that's it. Okay, if suppose at most two heads means it's like maximum you should have two heads. Okay, minimum you can have two heads, that is one head also, or even if you don't have the head, that's not a problem. Okay, so understand the difference between at least and at most. At least in the sense from one to many, that is from the given number to how much ever is there, everything you can take it for the number of favorable outcomes. At most in the sense that is the maximum limit, you cannot cross that given number. Okay, that is at least one head. What did we do? We took one head, two heads, three heads also we took it for the favorable outcomes. At most one head means maximum there should be only one head. Okay, minimum even if you don't have heads, that's not going to be a problem. So the maximum number itself is one there. Okay, so at least one in the sense from that number to many. At most one head in the sense till that only you should see. Okay, so at most one head. Here three heads maximum, two, two, two. So all these four not possible. At most one head. So here all we are having a maximum of one head. Here also one head. Here also one head. Here there are no heads. Maximum itself is one head, which means minimum even if we don't have heads, that's not going to be a problem. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These four possibilities where maximum we are having a head. Okay, minimum even if there is no heads, we are not worried about that. That is also taken for count. So the probability of the event, that is the event of getting at most one head, it is four possibilities we have by 8. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, which can be simplified as 1 by 2. That's it. Hope you all understood. Next, third question, one head and two tails. Wherever we get one head and two tails alone, that only we can take. So here one head, two tails. One head, two tails. One head, two tails. So three possibilities we have. So these three possibilities are the one where we are having one head and two tails. So the probability of the event of getting one head and two tails. You are having three favorable outcomes. By total number of outcomes is 8. 3 by 8. That's it. Okay. Next, two heads. Just two heads alone we should take here. Here you shouldn't take three heads for count. Okay. Only two heads wherever we get. That becomes the favorable outcomes here. So two heads, H. Two heads, H. Here also two heads, H. So these three are the possibilities where we are getting two heads. Only two heads. See, remember we are not taking three heads here. Though we are getting two heads here. This is all the three coins are giving head. Okay. So this is not included. Only two heads. That only we are taking here. So the probability of the event of getting two heads, it is 3 by 8. That's it. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you.